I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to clear the cache in the Spotify mobile app. Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap your profile icon on this screen to open a menu. Step 2. Tap Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Tap Data Saving and Offline in this menu. Step 4. Navigate down to the Storage section, find Clear Cache in this menu, and then tap Clear associated with that option. A window pops up asking if you want to free up space by clearing your data. Step 5. Tap Clear. Your Spotify cache will be cleared on this device immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.